All right, everyone, quick little exhaust video here for you today. This is a C6 Corvette with the American Racing header brand headers with their high flow cats and mid pipes. But this time we've got the factory mild to wild mufflers. You can see the little valve body right there. They are adjustable. Do a lot of exhaust on this channel. We've done the Corsa mufflers, the boiler mufflers. These are going to be the factory mufflers with the American Racing mid pipes and headers. So let's take a listen.